Hey, what's up? My name is Allison Kogel, and today I'm going to be doing a how-to on how to make a blog post on a Wix site. So as you guys can see, the name of my blog is Into the Wild. My theme is wilderness survival. I've always been interested in that. And I'm going to show you how I make my blog post in here. So I'm going to go all the way to the left where it says my blog. I'm going to create a post. Alright, it's loading. While it's doing that, I'm just going to move you guys over so you can see what I'm doing. So, I might add a title like, How to Make a Tent with 3 Supplies. And I would then list the supplies, let's say a tarp, string, oh my goodness, my spelling. And then I go on to describe how to complete this project, and let's say I want to embed a video. So I went in on YouTube and I found a good video on how to make a tent just like the one I'm describing, in case people like to learn different ways. So I'd say add a video. I have it copied to my clipboard already, so I'll press Ctrl+V, add now, and it's right there, ready for my viewers to see in case they like to learn through videos. Alright, that is all. That's basically the gist of it. In this, you can put whatever you want. You can upload photos, you can upload different links to different websites, you can upload videos. Overall, it's pretty simple. I feel like everything's pretty lined out, and this is just how I make my blog.